Hello children, welcome back to our maths class. I am your Vidya ma'am. The next chapter we are going to discuss is decimals. Let's move into the chapter. Now look at the decimal place value chart. We know the place value of numbers, yes or no? Starting from the last digit, we will write the place value of numbers. Okay, we will start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and go on like that. Okay, for a decimal number, when a decimal number is given, okay, how can we write the place value? Okay, what is the place value of each number in a decimal number? We are going to see. Okay, so here look at the place value chart. Okay, you can see towards your left side, you can see ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so that you know already, that place value you know already. Okay, now after the decimal point, if a number is given and after the decimal point, what is the place value of each number? Okay, so after the decimal point, the first number, okay, here you will start from the number next after the decimal point. Okay, after the decimal point, whatever number is there, what is the place value of that number? We call it as tenth. Okay, tenth. It's there, it is tens. Here it is tenth. Okay, so we represent tenth as 1 by 10. Okay, see, it is given there. In the table you can see tenth and it is represented as 1 by 10. Okay, now the next digit, okay, what is the place value? It is hundredth. Okay, hundredth and it is represented by 1 by 100. Clear? The next place, it is thousandth. Okay, so the next place is thousandth. Okay, and it is denoted by 1 by 1000. Okay, thousandth means we can write it as 1 divided by 1000. Okay, this is the place value chart of decimal numbers. Okay, so before the decimal point we have learnt already. Now after the decimal point, each number is having a place value. Okay, the first number is tenth, then hundredth and then comes thousandth. Okay, so tenth is represented by 1 by 10. Hundredth means 1 by 100 and thousandth means 1 divided by 1000. Clear children? Now look at this example. Okay, 326.471. Okay, so before the decimal point, you know the place value is ones, tens and hundreds. Yes, so before the decimal point it is, here is the decimal point. Okay, so before that you have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, it goes on. Okay, so here 326, we know the place value. Now after the decimal point, what is the place value of this 4? It is tenth. Clear? Now next place value of 7 is hundredth. Okay, then comes the place value of 1. So the place value of 1 is thousandth. Clear? We can also represent fractions as a decimal. Okay, consider the fraction 3 by 10. How can we represent 3 by 10 as decimal? Okay, so denominator there is 1 0, 10 there is 1 0. Okay, so numerator we have 3. Okay, so we have to place decimal point before one number because there is 1 0 in the denominator. Okay, so numerator there is only one number. Okay, so place decimal point before that number. Okay, so we have 0.3. Now look at this example. Okay, the fraction 1 by 100, we have to write it in the form of decimals. Okay, so 1 by 100. In the denominator we have 2 zeros. Okay, but numerator there is only one number. Okay, so decimal point we have to place before two numbers because there are 2 zeros in the denominator. Okay, so we have only 1 in the numerator, so we have to put a 0 and then we have to place decimal. Okay, and before the decimal point there is no number, that means there is a 0 there. Okay, so 1 by 100 can be written as decimal as 0.01. Okay, same way, next one, 16 divided by 100. Okay, so 16 divided by 100, denominator 2 zeros. So place decimal before two numbers. So numerator we have two numbers. So we can place a decimal point before two numbers and add a 0. So it is 0.16. Okay, same way for 35 by 100, 43 by 100 and 98 by 100. Denominator there are two zeros. Numerator also we have two numbers. So we can write it as 0.35, 0.43 and 0.98. Comparing decimals. Okay, directly we are moving to exercise 8.3. Okay, I will explain how to compare two decimal numbers. Now look here, 0.3 or 0.4, which is greater? How can we check which is greater? Okay, so we have to start from the number which is at the leftmost position. Okay, from the left we have to check the numbers. Okay, so for leftmost position you have 0 here. Here also you have 0. Okay, so 0 and 0 both are same. Okay, so that we can, now we have to move to the next digit. Next digit is 3 here and here you have 4. Now which is greater, 3 or 4? 4 is greater. So we can say 0.4 is greater. Clear? Next one, 0.07 or 0.02. Okay, so start from the leftmost digit. Okay, so 0 here, here also 0. Okay, so now move to the next digit. Here also 0 and here also 0. Both are same. Now we have to look into the next digit. Okay, so here you have 7 and here you have 2. Okay, so which is greater? 7 is greater. Okay, so we can say 0.07 is greater. Clear? Next one, 3 or 0.8. Now 3 is a whole number. It is not a decimal number. Okay, so now whole number and decimal number 0.8. Okay, so comparing a whole number and a decimal number. Okay, so we can say whole number is greater. Okay, so 3 is greater. Clear? Next one, 0.5 or 0.05. Okay, so leftmost digit is 0 here. Here also 0. Now move to the next digit. Next digit is 5 here and here it is 0. So which is greater? 5 is greater. So 0.5 is greater. Clear? Next one, 1.23 or 1.2. Okay, so leftmost digit you have 1 here, here also 1. Okay, now move to the next digit. Next digit is 2 here, here also 2. Both are same. Okay, now coming to the next digit. Next digit is 3 here. Here you don't have any digit. That means there is a 0 here. Okay, now 3 and 0. Which is greater? 3 is greater. So we can say 1.23 is greater. Clear? Next one, 0.099 or 0.19. Okay, so leftmost digit is 0 here, here also 0. Now next one is 0 here, here you have 1. So which is greater? 1 is greater. Okay, so 0.19 is greater. Clear? Next one, 1.5 or 1.50. Okay, here 1, leftmost digit is 1, here also 1. The next number, here also 5, here also 5. Okay, and now coming to the next digit, you have nothing here. That means there is a 0 here. So 0 and 0. So which is, both are same, no? Okay, so we can say both are same. Clear? Next one, 1.431 or 1.490. So here also 1, here also 1. Next 4 and 4. Next you have 3 and 9. So which is greater? 9 is greater. So 1.490 is greater. Clear? Next one, 3.3 or 3.300. So leftmost digit is 3. Okay, both are same. The next is digit is also 3 and 3. Okay, and the next digit we have to see. Here only 3.3. That means there is a 0 there. Okay, so 3.30. So that is also same here. Okay, so we can say both are same. Okay, now next one, 5.64 or 5.603. Okay, here you have 5, here also 5. Next digit 6 and 6, both are same. Next one, 4 and 0. So which is greater? 4 is greater. So 5.64 is greater. Clear how to compare decimals, two decimals?